Good morning, all. It's Peter Cruz speaking to you from Dubai, UAE. Market brief for July the 5th, Wednesday. The fears of recession gain momentum as most central banks are raising rates to counter inflation. The latest China services PMI dropped sharply to 53.9 in June versus 57.1 in the previous month. Now, the continuous tension between the US and China weigh on the sentiment. Although the gold price has been mildly bid in the past couple of days, but still below the very strong resistance level of 1,933 to 35 levels. Okay. Now, meanwhile, the US dollar index is gaining strength, and the currency versus the US dollars are declining. All eyes are on the Fed's Federal Open Market Committee meeting minutes to be released later in the day. Personally, my assessment are that the gold price will have another major drop before the very bullishness rise for the second half of 2023. Well, this is due to the global economic downturn, recession woes, geopolitical issues with US and China trade war, the Russia-Ukraine war, and the de-dollarization by the BRICS nation and many other countries about to join them. Gold price can rise above the $2,500 an ounce level by year end. Now, that's about all I have for you today. Let me share my daily forecast with you right now. Right. Today's forecast for July the 5th, Wednesday. Now, like I always says, this is only my opinion, and it doesn't constitute any form of guarantee or promises of profits. But whatever you do, make sure you have your stop levels. Okay. Now, let's see what the currency is doing. Being a holiday yesterday in the US, there are not much movement, although the dollar gained some strength and the currency came down a bit. So selling the euro now at the 1.09 is an advantage. Not much change in the British pound, still hanging around this 127 level is a very good sell order. Okay. The yen, like I said, is just hanging there at this 144. 50 to 80 levels, all right? Crude oil came up a bit, but still playing in a very narrow range. So every time you see that 69 or better, it's a good buy for the crude oil. Aussie, like all the others, there's not much change there. At the 0.6680 is a very good sell order for the euro. The gold, well, we've seen it so many times in the last couple of days. It comes up to the 1,930 or close to it, market starts to come off again. So any level you see above the 1,928 level is a very good sell order for the gold, okay, provided you have your stops, okay? On that note, I thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you all a very pleasant, happy, and prosperous trading day, okay? If you like my video, please give me a like, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I really appreciate that. Once again, thank you all, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye for now.